Imagine this. You're in the home stretch to buy your home. Your loan's been approved, and you're setting the closing date, when all of a sudden you receive an unexpected email or phone call asking you to transfer or wire your closing funds into a new account. No big deal, right? Or is it? Wiring fraud is a big problem that can directly impact your finances. Your mortgage specialist and their team should know what to look for, but do you? Fraud attempts come in many shapes and sizes, but most often we see customers getting an email that looks like it is from your realtor, your mortgage specialist, or the title agency you're working with, stating that they need additional information about your bank account, or stating that they have a new account they want you to wire your funds to close to. Look over that email. Is the sender's email address the exact same as you had previously corresponded with? Does the timing and content of the email make sense? Does the look or tone of the email seem suspicious? Even if everything looks legitimate, it's best to call your mortgage specialist or a member of their team to verify the email is valid. Hackers are very good at what they do. They can copy email signatures and many other signifying elements of an email to make it seem like it's from a reputable source, when really it's not. Anytime someone asks you to send them money, we would highly recommend you look up their phone number independently, not contained in the email, and call them to confirm the details provided are accurate. Important things to remember. Never email your online banking information, login, or PIN to anyone. Never access your bank account on a public computer, such as the library or hotel lobby computer. Monitor your accounts for unauthorized activity. Report anything suspicious to your bank right away. If you can, make sure there is a firewall on your computer. Always verify wiring information verbally, whether in person or over the phone. Don't trust a number in an email either. Look the number up in a credible place. Changing your personal passwords every once in a while is a very good habit to get into. Remember, wiring instructions rarely change. If you had not been advised by your mortgage team that a change is coming, be very cautious. Even if you have been advised, double check and verify. Red flags can include, but are not limited to, typos and grammatical errors in wiring instructions, strange email handles, accounts with different geographic locations than the seller. This can happen, but make sure you research it. Overseas wiring. Don't wire overseas unless you are absolutely sure. Once it is out of the country, it's very unlikely to be recovered if it's a scam. Here's an example of how real these emails can look. In this example, the instructions were sent attached to an email. The signature is exactly what you, as the borrower, would have seen from your loan officer. But look closely at the return email address. It says real2reply1@gmail.com, whereas the return email in the signature is boblo@yourmortgageco.net. Buying a home is one of the biggest purchases a person makes, and there's a potential for a lot of money to exchange hands. It's in everybody's best interest to make sure that money is going where it's supposed to be. Always double check before releasing wiring information to your title company. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or email us at info@callequity.net. Please remember to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.